Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and I do read our video comments. And one comment that I've seen 1,000 times since Shadow Black was released: mix all the blacks. Mix up all the blacks, mix up all the blacks. I don't know why you want us to mix up all the blacks. I have a feeling this is either going to be a really awesome, unique black that you can't get unless you mix all the blacks, or it's just going to kind of look like a satin black. I was resistant to the project. Enough people have asked for it. I'm going to show you what you want to see. So today, we mix all the blacks. Enjoy the video. So when we say we're mixing all the blacks, what does that consist of? Well, we could have just done black PDS and shadow black, but no. If we're mixing all the blacks, we are mixing everything that's technically black that can be mixed into dip. So of course we have black PDS, we have shadow black, we have obsidian black pearl, Knighthawk black pearl, black Betty pearl, and even though I don't want to do this, we do have jet black microflake. Now, could I have left this out without most of you guys knowing? Yes. And could this potentially ruin the job because of the texture from the microflake? Yes. But I'm only putting in 5 grams into the mix, and I think we're going to be safe. So this is literally mixing all of the blacks. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we have finished the project. Now, going into this, we all knew that mixing all the blacks together was going to create some type of black. We knew it wasn't going to create some kind of crazy rainbow effect. It did end up being a black car, but it is a unique black finish, and here's how. It's got the sheen from Shadow Black, but it doesn't have the deep, dark richness of Shadow Black. all the pearls that went in, which aren't as rich as shadow black, kind of kept that carbon black style color. So it's a carbon black color, but with a higher level of sheen. It's not quite matte black. It's not quite a rich, deep satin black. When you get really close, it does have a bit of a metallic as well. It is what it is. When you guys look at it, you can tell me if you love it or if you hate it. I mean, this is your idea at the end of the day. Now, one thing also, don't throw the microflake in. If you're going to do this, just leave the microflake out. It didn't ruin the texture or anything, but if you get really close, you can kind of see it wanting to poke through. It doesn't add any value at all, so just leave it out. Now, if you want to dip your car, we have tons of colors to choose from. Click up here. It'll bring you to all of our car kits, and they include everything you need, the gallons, the accessories, the sprayer. If you need any help, though, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in. We'd love to talk to you guys about your projects. Let's go outside and check out the end result. It's Fonzie. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. I will see you on the next one.